Oh, hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a Remos tongue cleaner. It is available in stainless steel or in copper. It will eliminate bad breath. It removes bacteria from your tongue and has proven to reduce bad breath and the risk of periodontitis and caries too. This sounds great, isn't it? The tongue scraper is very hygienic and highly resistant. Other than plastic out there, tongue cleaners, the Remo steel or copper scrubber does not need to be replaced. Simply disinfect with 70% of volume alcohol. Or you will use a cloth and a little bit of water, hot water. This will be okay too. I think so. Though here the length is 14.5 centimeters, it's 5.7 inches. It fits on every tongue due to its flexibility, up to 90 degrees. No, not degrees. 90% of bad breath originates from harmful bacteria on the tongue and the throat. Rarely, the problems are caused by your stomach or other illness, of course. Studies have shown that especially fragrant bacteria deposits on the tongue lead to intense bad breath. They disturb the sensitive bacterial balance in the oral cavity. These promote plaque and can alter our sense of taste. For hygienic and practicable reason, too long bristles, gagging, etc., the toothbrush itself is not recommended for the removal of tongue coverings. But the Remos tongue cleaner is made of stainless steel or copper if you choose, and is particularly effective. How to use a tongue cleaner evenly with gentle pressure. Pull the tongue cleaner 3 up to 4 times from the back of the tongue forward. After use, rinse the tongue cleaner under running water and dry it with kitchen roll. It is recommended to know and again disinfect the tongue scraper with 70% of volume alcohol from the pharmacy. But it's not recommended for children under 6 years. Maybe it's better for adults. So, the tongue scraper. Thoroughly clean teeth are a matter of course and very important to use. However, where oral hygiene is concerned, tongue cleaning is often forgotten. The tongue is particularly makes an excellent breeding ground for germs, which can be responsible for bad breath, gum problems, or cavities. After getting up the morning, bring, bring, I have to wake up. Oh no, but I have to do this. Briefly rinse out the mouth with warm water. Afterwards, use the tongue scraper, holding it at the open end, to scrape the tongue 3 to 4 times from the back to the front while applying the light pressure. More intensive scraping or increased pressure will not improve the cleaning effect. Finally, rinse out the mouth thoroughly with lukewarm water. Ideally, tongue cleaning should be completed in addition to all pulling. The tongue scraper is made from high quality stainless steel. To clean the scraper, a simple rinse with warm water is generally sufficient. The tongue scraper should, however, be cleaned once or twice a month with a 70% alcohol solution. For example, a disinfection spray. And this is all. You have to use this tongue scraper. Then, if you like to go on, you can use this oil. Additionally, use this oil And after this, you have to clean your teeth. Then the morning comes and you're ready for all day long. At the evening time, you do not have to use the talc scraper. Only wash and brush your teeth. Easy, isn't it? It will cost you only 20 seconds, but it will remove so much bad breath organitates from harmful bacteria on the tank. Easy, as you see in that video. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.